Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing scope quickly. Open the project, set discipline and phase, then create a schedule/quantities from the View tab. Choose the category that actually contains the elements you need, walls, doors, or furniture, and immediately add core fields like type, family, count, area, and mark so you capture identification and quantities. Once done, group related fields now rather than later. This prevents rework. Make sure to toggle Include Element Parameters if you need shared or project parameters. Next, focus on organization and precision. Switch to the Formatting tab to set units, decimals, and display options for each field so numbers match your delivery standards. Then use sorting/grouping to order data by type or mark, add header and footer totals when appropriate, and create calculated parameters for cost or area per unit. Once done, apply filters to remove placeholder items or phases you don't want to report. Make sure to preview the schedule and adjust column widths so values remain readable. Finally, lock in the output. Save the schedule as a View template so settings are repeatable, then place the schedule onto a sheet with an explanatory title and consistent visibility graphics. Export to CSV or Excel when you need calculations or cost takeoffs outside Revit. If numbers look wrong, first check element categories and whether elements are in the correct phase or workset. Next, verify that shared and project parameters are mapped correctly. If issues persist, reload families or run a model audit before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.